John's murderer ambushed John. He shot John in the back, and then as John laid on the sidewalk, he executed John again.
The man accused of killing an Abbotsford police officer has been found guilty of first-degree murder. The verdict for Oscar Arfman was delivered Thursday at BC Supreme Court in New Westminster. Constable John Davidson was shot and killed while responding to reports of a stolen vehicle in November of 2017.
We felt very heavy. We lost a very good man. John's family, Denise lost a husband. Drew, Faye, and Dina lost a dad.
The prosecution argued Arfman ambushed the 53-year-old officer as he got out of his vehicle, shooting him twice from behind. Meanwhile, the defense tried arguing that the Crown's case depended on conflicting witness accounts and that a lack of Davidson's blood on Arfman could have been a cause for reasonable doubt because of the close proximity between the gunman and the victim.
Our approach to this case, as directed by our client, was that he didn't do it. So that was why we engaged in an extensive review of every single witness and challenging every single witness, which didn't prove successful. But those were the instructions we received, and that's how we conducted the case.
Justice Carol Ross said the Crown has proven beyond a reasonable doubt all aspects of the charge. While rendering her verdict, she told the packed courtroom the evidence placed him at the scene with a gun and showed he intended to kill Davidson, well knowing he was a police officer. As the judge read her verdict, both gasps and sighs could be heard from among the audience.
We went through a whole wave of emotions. We're certainly happy that it's a guilty verdict, first degree. That means a lot to us. But, you know, there's really never full closure in this, but we are happy.
This, however, will not be the end. The defense is now asking the court to consider mental health as a factor. The justice agreeing that a second mental health assessment of Oscar Arfman is appropriate, ordering that it is done with a different doctor. The case will continue early next year.
Although we're very happy that it's a guilty verdict, nothing will bring John back. Nothing will fill that void for his family or for any of us. And that will always weigh heavy.
In New Westminster, David Zura, City News.